Okay, so now we are going to welcome the year 2021, the entire decade, and we are going to charge it. We are going to bless the upcoming year with lot of positivity and prosperity. So let us bless the year 2021. Please raise your hands in the blessing position. Smile. Close your eyes. Look at the whole year of 2021 from January to December. Bless this year with divine light, divine love, and divine power. Bless this whole year with good health for entire family, prosperity, abundance, and great success. Bless your career, your profession. Bless yourself with financial stability and progress. Inhale and exhale slowly. Continue to bless all your goals and targets for the coming year. Visualize you're taking right efforts, you're investing right time to manifest all these goals. So be it, so be it, so be it. Let us bless ourselves with consistent practice of meditation in this entire year. May we all achieve greater heights in the spiritual, may we achieve greater heights in our spiritual practice. So be it. Inhale and exhale slowly. If you have special goals for 2021, bless it. If you want to start your new business, if you want to start exploring into new career, if you want to have relationship, if you want to start anything new in this year, bless it with special divine light, divine love, and divine power. Blessings spread to all. Visualize the Mother Earth. Spread these blessings to every person, every being around us. Lord God, thank you for blessing us with lot of abundance, prosperity, and success. Take a deep breath. Exhale slowly. Smile once again. Put your hands in the Namaste Mudra. Let us welcome the year 2021 with lot of love, lot of respect. May all the goals and targets which are not fulfilled in 2020, we are going to achieve them in this year. So be it. May all things which are pending in this year, we are accomplishing that in this year. So be it. Let us welcome this year once again with lot of happiness, lot of joy. Lord God, thank you for blessing us with your soothing, healing light. Thank you in full faith. Gently open your eyes. To all of you, Namaste. Thank you.